7, 8.
Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away, leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Don't leave me, I cry. Don't take no airplane ride, but you locked me out of your mind and left me standing here behind.
Silver wings shining in sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight.
They're taking you away, leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Don't leave me, I cry. Don't take no airplane ride.
But you locked me out of your mind
And let me standing here behind. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away, leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight, slowly fading out of sight, slowly fading out of sight, slowly fading out of sight.
This dance is our Paso Cha. Choreographer is unknown. It's a 28 count partner dance. So I'm going to show it to you and turn my back on you. Section 1, rock, recover, shuffle in place, rock, recover, shuffle in place. Section 2, rock, back, recover, shuffle forward, step, pivot a half, turn right, shuffle forward. Section 3, step forward on right, make a quarter turn left, sway left, right, and then make another quarter left as you step forward on left. And the last section is 4 shuffles forward, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now I'll do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.